My name is Shashi Kanth, and I'm the director of the company called Kreata Food Specialities Pvt Limited. It's a Hyderabad-based state-of-the-art manufacturing facility for specialty foods. It's really good for a startup like us when you participate in such exhibitions and events. You do generate a lot of leads, which finally go and fructify into business. We are pretty happy with the kind of leads that we get when we participate in this event. Well organized, this place is excellently located in terms of its distances within Bombay. Area marked, year marked, categorized separately for the manufacturers and for the brand owners. I think that's something which is very well laid out. As a startup, there is a very great benefit specifically to get some leads and market yourself well to the prospective customers. That's the great benefit. People are interested for what we make in terms of our HPP facility, which is there, which is the high pressure pasteurization products, nut butters, and for sauces and mayonnaise and ketchups, and guacamole and avocado paste. Some of these categories have actually, for private label manufacturing, people have come forward and inquired and are ready to work with us. See, there's an excellent platform where you can connect the prospective buyer for a manufacturer. What else we want? We want these such meeting places where there is a scope to showcase what you do, understand the needs quickly when the customer comes in. He also gets a perspective of what he's uh, getting into when he speaks to us. What else you want? That's an excellent platform, a meeting place. It's actually the in the vector diagram. It is right in the center, no intersection of all these areas. Packaging, you're also looking for packaging. You're also looking for a product. You're also looking for a guy who owns the brand and who wants this manufactured. So that's a excellent. It's a beautiful vector diagram. It's a Venn, beautiful intersection.